house over the corner, you know. And the house could have catch, you know.
So me that man give me little water, but me never know so
So it's a man of unsold mind.
Right.
Oh. I need the fire brigade to come out that man. So we know the heart of Morant there and we have an incident where a fire rage. Yeah. A fire rage people. Yeah, big super is on the ground. So come on the TV. Why it look like a take place around here? Like a fire burn on the place. But we hear the fire brigade truck. We hear the truck coming. Hear the truck coming. Them have to go around the one way. Them have to go around the one way. Yeah. Yeah, my viewers and stuff. So we there. Where that call yourself, Kim? Just in the vicinity of Bling, right in the vicinity of Bling. Okay? Right in the vicinity of where Bling Plaza the people. Which part you have them look a shop, them look a board shop. Right around this side here. We have a fire, a rage at the back of the Hopeland here. Yeah, we hear the fire brigade unit, but the fire brigade unit I come around the one way because this road is a one way down, so they can't really come up it. Yeah. So we see the fire rage. So the fire brigade unit. Go into the town of Morant there, people. So the unit comes from the spot. Yeah. The viewers and sub. Right in the heart of Morant here. 321 Wednesday, January the 24th. Big super is on the ground. Yeah, we're on the ground, the viewers and subscribers. Yeah, and we're looking at an incident where it looked like somebody light a rubbish heap behind the building and it a burn, and the fire unit is out on the ground, out in the fire, in the heart of Morant here. So big super is here. Yeah, my viewers and so watch the kids them. Hi kids, wanna come back, wanna come down. Come down, stay down here, sir. Wanna come off there. Yeah, my viewers and so. Wanna come down. Yeah, don't go close. My viewers and so. Don't, you know, kids stay already. Yeah. Come down from up there. Come down. Ah, youth, wanna come down. Stay down here, sir. Yeah, stay down. I have a house over the corner, you know, and the house could have catch, you know. Yeah, the house could have catch.
Right. What you mean?
So, what really happened there on the ground, mum?
And them there run some madman come in there a long time, run the sun, him a talk. So I say, go on, him a say, Deborah, so I say, go on. And when me there, so I realize I don't in the hole, so light, so me the man give me little water, but me never know so
So it's a man of unsold mind.
Right.
Oh Lord.
A man of unsold mind.
Oh, well, but I'm glad that the fire team reached in time and could have here because you have a boathouse one at the back. And if that boathouse did catch, you know the rest would be history.
Awesome.
Yeah, so the fire team is on the ground, people. Them doing a wonderful job keeping down the fire. Them come on time, them locating at the Art and Morant Bay, and them have the fire under control. So Big Super is on the ground. You have to tell you that the fire where started in the town of Morant Bay is now under control. And what them call that area here?
Also beside William's funeral home.
Right in front of William's funeral home.
Right.
Okay.
That's right.
And, yeah. So kids on the stay down, don't come no further here, because we don't want nothing to do. Some of viewers and sub. Yeah. No, I'm too young. Yeah. So we're there on the ground and we are showing what take place. And the lady say, it seems like a man of unsound mind catch a fire and everything under control. The fire team is here and we don't know if we can get an update. But the fire in a Morant Bay brought under control. Quick response to the fire team. Then take less than 5 minutes, people, and reach here. I know it go because the town of Morant Bay, the traffic and all these things. But everything is under control. So Big Super is on the ground and we're here to tell you that the team, the fire team in a Morant Bay, doing a wonderful job to out the fire in the town. So people, stick and stay. Remember to like, share, remember to subscribe, remember to turn on your post notification bell and get regular updates from Big Super. Saying to you guys, peace out people, peace out.